Homechef box. I don't know what we got this week, but I'm really, really excited. Thatcher just got home from school, so we need to get started on dinner because he's gonna get hungry in a few minutes. So let's go ahead and start opening the box. This is the very difficult part to get that part down. There's our box that we use for our meat. First bag. Oh, we're using lemon this week. Bread. Bread. And then we have a ready-to-go meal for today. Or, not today, this week. Another hard part to take out, which is usually not bad. Then we got our meats for this week, and then we got our ice packs at the bottom, which we keep in there. We're gonna move this box out of the way. Okay. Oh, I forgot something. Okay, let's see what we got this week. Okay, so this week we got beef cheddar milk again, so I'm really happy for that. They only gave us 2 recipes for 3 bags.
So look on your labels, what's missing. Look at your bags.
This is the beef cheddar milk, so right there. Buttermilk cheese. So we're missing the buttermilk chicken.
Buttermilk chicken schnitzel.
So we don't have the recipe for this one. And then this is probably the ready-to-go one.
Not in the box.
So I guess
I'll get the recipe from Homechef.
So for this recipe, I'm gonna have to get it off of my mom's phone for the recipe because they didn't provide us with the recipe. So right away we can see our green onions aren't the best, which that's pretty normal because they're better when they're fresh, really. And they're all smushed by the ingredients, which that's not a problem because I grow them in my little garden. Here, all the fruit and everything looks good. Just on one of the zucchinis, there's a few like scratches and dents, but that's gonna happen when it's getting shipped. But they don't look too bad. And then this one, it looks all good. So our meats for this week are probably going to be shrimp because of the shrimp, which I can see already. So here's our shrimp for this week. Our sliced beef strips. And right away I know this, so y'all probably can't see it in the bag, but I know immediately this is chicken breast fillet, I think. Yeah. Fillets.
Are you trying to be like Gordon Ramsay fillets?
So we're gonna get the recipe for the unprinted one, and we'll just see what we cook tonight. See you in a little bit. I just made beef cheddar milk. So y'all probably remember from last time we made this a few weeks ago. This time I'm gonna try to remember how good it was. We added some extra seasoning to our potatoes, which are supposed to be fries. Healthy fries, I guess. The difficulty level is an intermediate, and I'm just excited to try it. So let's get trying. First we're gonna do our makeshift potato, or french fry. It tastes better than last time. So I think adding the extra seasoning helped it a lot. How good it was, I'm licking my fingers. Okay, now time for my favorite part, the burger. so good. It's really amazing. Can't really say anything other than it's amazing. Nothing changed.
Are you happy we got this one again, even though it's not a new recipe?
Very. So, we will see y'all next time. My mom just made this recipe called, wait, what's it called?
Buttermilk schnitzel with cucumber dill sauce.
Buttermilk schnitzel with
Cucumber dill sauce.
Cucumber dill sauce. So the other night, my mom made the shrimp tostadas, and we were missing some ingredients, so she had to just make it her own. So since we don't have the recipe card for this one, we can't have a side-by-side to show you, but I'm just here to taste test. So let's get taste testing.
This said the difficulty level was expert. I feel like it's maybe intermediate. And spice level, there's no spice in it at all.
The chicken is really, really good. It needs a little bit more of something. Like, it tastes good, but like, to give it more of a pop of color, it has a lot of color, just like some more, maybe like some red or something. And maybe like a sauce, another sauce to go with it, because like this is, it gives it like the chicken some more flavor, but I feel like that doesn't really count as a sauce. I got a little bit of it, well, I'll taste it again because it has like no flavor. It's like ranch with no flavor. That's how it kind of is.
Yeah, it's got dill and cucumber and sour cream, lemon juice. I added some garlic, but it just, I think they were going for a tzatziki kind of style, but it's just not hitting that note.
It's really good. I don't think anything should be changed. The cucumbers are really good.
The cucumbers or the zucchini?
Zucchini. Nothing should be changed about it, but I feel like it should have, the chicken should have like some type of sauce, or Homechef should change something about their dill pickle. Yeah,
the dill sauce.
The dill sauce, because like it just tastes like plain ranch. Well, see you next week. Bye.